Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
I was shocked. Me bachelor me modern as me who na me dia kire atifo. That's why making catch making catch on pano. O say Ghana for say Bawumia at depicted the Asomdwehene nature of Atta Mills. And I was like, hey, where ye class FM?
Yeah.
Asante yen fa the bon krata.
Yeah,
na yenhwe okay hwe said you must see some of the buy Ghanaians hail Asomdwehene Bawumia as he console Mahama over chopper crash tragedy. Oh senior where the custodian of Bokrata said you Mahama and I say no see efa ade no e buy Asante yen ko yenim if see focus mainly on said you must see where metro lens the Bokrata no and
Bawumia reflects Atta Mills' Asomdwehene traits. Was say Bawumia reflects Atta Mills' Asomdwehene traits. You know it will pitch it.
Metro lens. Okay.
The new Crusading Guide was say Bawumia reflects Atta Mills' Asomdwehene traits. It said the picture no and the one ma. And now okay. Supreme was say helicopter crash. Bawumia hailed as leader who rises above partisan lines.
Okay.
Bawumia hailed as leader who rises above partisan lines. And na
okay.
The Supreme
the
Ghanaian publisher was saying Bawumia's act mirrors Atta Mills' peaceful style. Bawumia's act mirrors Atta Mills' peaceful style. Dr. Bawumia and President Mahama.
Okay.
And na
okay. And na
the informer was say honoring fallen heroes. Bawumia pledges NPP's participation as Mahama calls for patriotism. Bawumia pledges NPP's participation as Mahama calls for patriotism. And then helicopter crash, minority urges unity, support for military. Minority leader, Robert Federal Mark and Fonini. And I was saying them. It will show about 6 newspapers.
Okay, Asante Patrol, Class FM, dear Mensaka.
Okay.
Now, for to so same. A section of Ghanaians have lauded the former Vice President, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, for exhibiting traits reminiscent of late Professor John Evans Atta Mills, affectionately called Asomdwehene, King of Peace. Now, they are bracketing. Now, say, Dr. Bawumia, who served as Ghana's Vice President before the current administration, visited President John Dramani Mahama on Saturday, August 9, to console him over the tragic helicopter crash that claimed the lives of 8 people. And try to assure the compatriots, no, or say Ghana for say, Sa Subaya Bawumia Eda the Dinti. Omo freno, ombe freno Asomdwehene. Patro Class FME, eye NDC for a station. Afi Asante me enko hwe Dr. Bawumia.
We feel we feel Atta Mills we feel Atta Mills Asomdwehene traits in Bawumia Ghanaians. And you say bia obi na aka and you say a general commenter omkabo my na doors
it's where your classfmonline.com class fm na ye say do agongo na no say do agongo ni MPP for
omo change that
omo chadro ahoma so but the media house share social media and in someone for Kafa Bawumia ho no and omo ba out with this report but
can
this be said about a certain candidate ana
Waku when
yes or no answer. Can this be said about a certain candidate now?
No.
If answer is no,
the big no.
Asante yanko head Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Amamuo. I just strongly that say mo. I drink policies are work. Now who is a strong leader? Any day strong leader no anything. Strong leader no any day.
Ebi na obi otimi di atem.
Any strong leader.
Na no Kevin Taylor asemi ba ya. Yes ya contemptuous statement ni amani bail. Enkrofo cite case. Edi aye example ni TSS ija Kevin Taylor no. Ana can Japan statement in cite.
Na God o can strong leader na me feel say ka de dia kom say no. President dia two no say no. Obeka so a weak leader.
Yeah,
No, Obeka yeah, Obeka so a weak leader.
Say why weak to the sense of vice president or ban in take you.
Yes, Obeka so a weak leader.
You know there, you know
not you. I don't swear. Say who that you? See, I see a weak leader there, and the Mahama is very weak because say you see a two is very mabo. No man penino. The minister say we will not say but soon my means me my request is here intimidate my advice or your bar in your mahel minus so say America and also me can say
because per the analysis now must say weak leader. Yam fast to know to her that who is a weak leader. Weak leader you be a or dream or man who answer no again.
Oh media kwaku mesre bim emwa enema would the who support no betimi aye no unyo opportunity na who da Roma Ghana for nti wo betima betina se abo first the who support ni din sa abrawo mo ni opponent krampo din
especially abra opponent ne me attack
o meka wasem
you to be radio
o meka wasem mo just say mo to din and the hard when say enipa according to records Dr. Bawumia almost 42%. Most of the radio so and when you are 38 and when you are 38 and the zone when you na o feeling I just say almost winning back normal police station be ni na ya ntro kwaku about to dey be you first day is August me you I can 5 months near kwato abana you we are wo you rally around one person be rally around that you fall off but will you be happy say nipa wo support na obi tin kra na ti radio so TV so to mpanifo din emwa yenyai
emwa enya ade ebo akra koka emwa
o hwe normal bia o fa Dr. Bawumia wakọ elections onya asan
for onya 41.7
me pa cho o te say ni 8 years no waye deal bia ye bobo ni din what is say the governance time any assistance or the ma nanado obi ebeka say oni ni ye deal and one farmer no ana 13 obi
there be
any innovations ngwa na yehu ye hwe baby or the president vice president akosi hwe senia ade we see ye tragedy we see ye hwe senia we page ne mu hwe de waye baby awakoko why not stop it o candidate semongo ba unim eya ye ka me pese ye hwe from this angle the otra de no enye na fe ene nkrofo edi na chi no what you say in terms of achievements die na oni pakro no obetro article no owo Dr. Bawumia obetumi din ato no hwe achievement owo over 50 normal or interventions ni innovations or the buy nipa na udi na chi no enye aban a ka oye